What could be more complicated than the cloud? If your organization has completed their cloud migration and started to build out platforms and pipelines that leverage cloud environments, you know that there's more to it than just making clouds. There's this special kind of synergy that happens between DevOps and cloud native practices that's really its own kind of language. That's what the industry refers to as platform engineering. It's a very unique way to look at the challenges faced by organizations that have grown beyond simple DevOps and simple cloud native solutions. How can you learn more about this space? Well, thankfully, our sister site, Techstrong.tv, has introduced a new website dedicated to platform engineering, and you will not be surprised to learn that it is called platformengineering.com. Stephen, you're a pretty frequent part of the TechStrong gang. I wanted to see what you thought about what a new site like platformengineering.com means for this growing community.
Yeah, I think that it's really exciting to see this. Platform engineering is certainly an up and coming topic. It's something that we've heard a lot about at our Tech Field Day events, whether it's Cloud Field Day or App Dev Field Day. We've seen a lot of companies diving into this space. And for me, as an IT pro who's actually building and deploying applications, yes, I still do that. I feel that platform engineering is a really important step for the industry. So one of the challenges of DevOps, and in fact, well, actually, let's back up even beyond that. DevOps was developed because developers found it frustrating to deal with IT operations, IT infrastructure staff, and so on, because essentially there was no platform. And once cloud native applications came out, I don't say they were spoiled, but they certainly got accustomed to the idea that they could rapidly build and deploy platforms, complete platforms to run their cloud native applications. Unfortunately, for DevOps engineers, they're not necessarily, I mean, they're often developers, they're not necessarily in tune with the intricacies of building sustainable and supportable IT platforms. And so that's where the platform engineering trend came in. Essentially, the idea is to build infrastructure, yes, but also other platform aspects up into a secure, sustainable, supportable environment to run modern applications. These days, the platform engineering world, as exemplified by our friends over at platformengineering.org, which is an organization of platform engineers, includes aspects like data science, machine learning, observability and monitoring, security, compliance, IT operations, and yes, IT infrastructure management. And it's all about building something that will work and that will work for a long time to come and isn't just something sort of thrown together, which, again, I will be the first to admit is sort of naturally what happens when you focus more on application development than on the platforms that those applications run on. There are many platform engineers out there who are looking for content, looking for support, looking for ideas. As I said, many of them have come together in the platform engineering community at platformengineering.org. And platformengineering.com is intended to be a news site to cater to those people so that they will have a place to come to learn about the latest in platform engineering. And I will say that many of the Tech Field Day presentations will be appropriate for that audience, and we'll be live streaming those on platformengineering.com. We'll also be writing feature articles for platformengineering.com going forward, and I'm pretty excited at the opportunity to speak with this new, rising, and very much needed critical group of people within the enterprise.